Hi students, today I welcome you all to my ME8594 ME6505 Dynamics of Machines 5th unit Mechanism of Control, module number 5.03. In this 5.03 I placed one question: what are the different types of governors? We are going to see the types of governors. Let us see the types in the next slide. Hi students. Types of governor. Majorly there are two types. One is centrifugal governor, the another one is inertia governor. In centrifugal governor, the centrifugal force is balanced by the controlling force. In inertia governor, the inertial force is balanced by the controlling force. Inertia governor is not covered in our syllabus, so we are going to study only about the definition of inertia governor. We are going to study deeply about the centrifugal governors. There are three types of centrifugal governors. One is pendulum type, another one is gravity loaded type, the third one is spring loaded type. In pendulum type, we are having only one governor, that is Watt governor. It is the oldest governor. It is invented by James Watt in 18th century. Nowadays it has very limited usage. It is not used in practical purposes. The second one is gravity loaded governor. In gravity loaded governor, dead weight is placed to load the governor. Under this gravity loaded, we have two types. One is Porter governor, another one is Royal governor. In spring loaded governors, instead of dead weight, spring is loaded in the governor. Here we have four types of governors. One is Cardinal governor, second one is Wilson Cardinal governor, third one is Cartan governor, the fourth one is Pickering governor. Mostly we are going to study about these 6 governors. It's a very simple module. The expected thing is you should know which governor belongs to which type. Thank you students. Thank you. See you then.